Yo, babe, what is this?
Yo, you did ass, bro?
Bro, that's my baby mama.
That's
bro.
my baby
What
mama,
are you talking about, bro? This mine.
Yo, who's your baby father? Hey!
Okay guys, so you guys wanted to know how I edit my intros and stuff, so these are the apps that I use, and I'm just gonna guide you guys through the process. So first we're gonna go to YouTube and look up aesthetically pleasing visuals or aesthetic videos. You want to find snippets of stuff that you like. Don't copy other people, try and make it as original as possible. So like this, I'm just searching videos and then screen recording little snippets, and then in the end we'll compile them together in iMovie. So now I'm searching up gore anime compilations because that's the stuff that I like to edit together. And so that's what we're doing. We're just looking up a bunch of, maybe cartoons, VHS tapes, stuff like that. And another place that you can find snippets is Instagram. So if you want to make your own, but you also want to incorporate other people, these are just a few examples. You could take screen recordings of other people's videos, but cut out the stuff you don't like, and then compile it in iMovie. Always try to make it as original as possible, but if you're lazy, I guess, I don't know what to tell you. So here I'm just compiling the clips that I collected, and then I'm going to edit out, the stuff that we don't want, flip it, try and get it to compile together as neatly as possible and to your liking. I always try to make sure my edits are under a minute or a minute and 30 seconds at most, because we're going to speed it up so that it can compile together and be easy to watch on Instagram or YouTube or stuff like that. So now I'm just including clips of myself, like selfies or videos, and you just want to make sure they're short little snippets, like you get like Snapchat videos or Instagram videos, and just cut off the excess, and you're just compiling them together to your likings. I like to have a system where I decide if I'm going to put a cartoon visual or a video of me and then something else. So I like to get 3 different elements. So in this case, it's anime, trains, and selfies. And then basically this is like the B-roll for your video if you have a main quote unquote character, which the main character would be me in this sense, because I'm making an intro, right? But that's the easiest way I can break this down. You just need to have a few pleasing videos, the main character of the video, or if you don't have one, you just want to compile a bunch of random shit together, do that too. But I'm guessing a lot of people want to have like a theme for the video. So that's what I'm trying to tell here, if you haven't noticed. So after this, usually what I do is I watch the video, make sure before I save it, that I like everything and how it flows. And then we're going to save the video. And when we save the video, we're going to take it to InShot. And after we transfer the video to InShot, InShot is a video where you can add like text and effects to the video if you like stuff like that. So now we're going to InShot, and we're just going to click new and then add the recent uploaded, and then remove the watermark and add your own watermark. So also you can add like background images through this if you don't like, if you crop out the extra on the outside. I'm sure you can figure out how to make it more pleasing, but this is how I make mine. I like all black backgrounds. So we're just gonna press the video, and we're going to, you can put whatever name you want. You could put a watermark, you could put an @name, intro, like your channel name, your Instagram name. In this case, I'm putting my channel name, and so you can choose the fonts, the color, all of that through this app. If anybody has any better video editing apps with better fonts, please comment them below. I've been looking for some, but I can't really find any that are free, and I'm really not trying to pay for an app just to use font on, you know, like. Also, keep in mind, when you want the watermark to appear, you can control the time of that in this app as well. So I wanted to keep that little snippet of the help me audio in the beginning because I feel like I like the suspense of that and then the music dropping at the same time. It's all about individuality, to be honest. To make your edit stand out, just do things that you like, you know, play with it, make a few. It takes a minute to get used to, but then when you get used to it, it becomes easier. So after you figure out where you want the watermark to pop up and you're done with that, you're going to save it. And when you save the video, we're going to take that video to an app that's called Camcorder, and that will give you the cool like VHS-y type aesthetic if you're interested in that. This app is free, so that's why I use this app. It's not the best, but it still gets, you know, the camcorder effect that I want. So you're gonna go to the video, click recently added, and then click the video that you just saved. Then they're gonna compress that and transfer it to the camcorder app, and once the camcorder app is done compressing it, it should go to your gallery. And then after this, we're going to take this to iMovie and add audio. So when it comes to audio, you want to be careful with copyright because Instagram and YouTube does copyright. So for that reason, I suggest looking up type beats. So now we're looking up Thrax type beats because I like Thrax and I like his beats. So I'm just gonna pick a Thrax type beat to be the background music for the intro, and just go through them and pick the ones you like. Make sure that it says free for usage. Okay, so when we get the audio, we're gonna go to the video. We're going to click on it and make sure that you click on the 3 dotted tab and use audio only. So it'll make it way easier for you to transfer the audio to the video. Now you're just going to cut the audio to how you want it to sound. So I'm just trying to make a gradual effect. So after that, you're just going to cut off the remainder of the audio by clicking split or pulling it all the way to the end of the video. And then that's it. Like, just save it, and this is the end of the video. If you guys like this, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias. They'll be linked at the end of this video. And yeah, on to the outro.